let me show you how to create a simple outro in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so let me play this quick outro that I made for one of my clients. Here it is. So that's it right there. That is for a podcast from one of our clients, and she wanted a simple, smooth, elegant outro. So let me show you the elements of this outro and how I made it. You can see that it's very simple. There's literally 1, 2, 3 tracks that are happening, 3 elements that are happening, but there are some key things to make it look really good and really professional. The first here that we have at the bottom, and I always like to put at the bottom, is the music, the song choice. Now, my client actually chose the song for this outro, and I went through the song and found a part that I felt best gave a feeling of ending or an outro, because that's what an outro is, right? It's like an ending. So I'll play it again so you can hear the song again. So to me, that part of the song felt like an outro to me. And you'll notice here on this part, there's a diagonal going down. I actually did I'll show you right here. I did a fade out to the song right here. So I took this part and I added this here because I cut out a section of the whole song. And it's cool that you can really do that because you don't have to take the song for as it is. You can manipulate it to make it into an outro like I did here. So if I didn't have this outro, it would just cut off abruptly and it wouldn't be a smooth sound and outro. So that's the song there. Make sure you have a song that sounds like it's ending or like it's an outro. Next here is the photo of my client. If you're doing something like this, you want to make sure that you have a really good photo. If it's, if this was like a photo from my phone and it was like a screenshot or something and it was pixelated, it wouldn't have good quality. This is a professional photo shoot. I'm not saying you have to get a professional photo shoot. You can definitely find some good stock photos that are really high quality. But my client here, she got a photo shoot done and she got this amazing shot of her. And this is the shot that she wanted to use for the ending. Now, you'll see here that there is some transition here. There's this right here, which is the fade to black. That is this one right here. And you'll notice that I have everything in my favorites because it's faster. When you put everything in your favorites, you can find all the things that you need. Just a quick rundown, I went through annotations, transitions, behaviors, animations, and I starred everything so that it shows up in my favorites so that I can quickly grab it. These are things that I use the most. So there is a fade through black at the beginning and then a fade through black at the ending. And I didn't touch anything on this photo because it was already a professional photo shoot. It was already pretty much good to go. I just centered it. The photo was a little bit bigger than the canvas used, but I just made sure to center her. And the photo looks great. Last thing here is the subscribe button. So because she is a new channel, new podcast, her main goal right now is to get subscribers. So that is the call to action that we put at the end of the podcasts. And this animation here, I got from a stock footage site, and you can find these anywhere, like any stock footage video site, you can get something similar to this. Now, when I got this, it was actually, didn't look like this. It was like all black. It had a black background. So what I had to do was remove the background so that it could show up cleanly on the photo. So what I did was I went to the stock footage video, go to my favorites, and then I remove color, which is basically the green screen feature, but you can remove it on different colors that aren't a green screen as long as it's solid. So what I did was I took remove color, put it here, and I click the down arrow, click the dropper, 'cause it's not a green screen, and I want to remove this, the black. So I removed the black, and then it gave me this, and then I played around with the edges, making it a bit softer, defringing it, making things just slightly a bit smoother, and then I ended up with something like this that I put over here on the middle of the screen, on the middle of Kaylin, my client, and it does the subscribe animation. So that's pretty much it. Those 3 elements there: a good song, an amazing photo, a YouTube subscribe animation. I mean, you don't have to put a YouTube subscribe animation. You could put something else. You could put, your website or an Instagram or whatever it is that you want to lead people to. And it was just those 3 elements, a bit of tweaking. The audio here has a fade out. This has a transition of fade through black on both ends. This, I had to remove the background so that I could have it play on top of the photo. And that's it. And with those 3 simple elements, it looks like a professional, smooth outro. So if you thought this video was cool, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video.